What's up, y'all? It's Tiffany Lee and I'm back again with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be prepping for Miami, but not only are we prepping for Miami, we're prepping for my birthday. It's Leo season. Need I say more? I am so excited. I just got finished installing my wig. This is a 34-inch bust down, but we're not gonna get into that. We're not gonna get into too much because I did a separate video on that. So if you want more details on the hair, definitely make sure you check out that video first. But yeah, we're doing hair, nails, lashes, toes, shopping, packing, the whole 9 yards. So with all that being said, let's get ready for my birthday in Miami. Alright, you guys, so I just pulled up to my nail appointment, so I'm about to go get my nails done. I'm so excited. I still honestly do not know what I want to get. I have some ideas, but I don't know because half of me wants to do French, but I do French all the time, and then I also want to do color because I never do color, but then I'm like, if I get color, I'm gonna regret it because I'm gonna get tired of it quick. So you see how I just contradict myself? Like, it's actually so bad. But yeah, now let's go get these nails done because it's time.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling, yelling out. It's Barbie. You still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? They gon' say now. I'm watching these. I'm up in a stain now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him brick. It ain't no more me and Barbie. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I
just left my nail appointment and this is what they're looking like. Super cute. Still did my French. So now I'm honestly not sure what I'm about to do. I wanted to get my eyebrows waxed, but I kind of want to go home first. So I don't know. We'll see. I'll just pick back up the camera and let y'all know what I'm doing. I'm not going to say what I'm going to do because I really don't know. So, all right, you guys. So I decided to come home. Now I am leaving my house again and I'm going to get my eyebrows waxed. They're really not even bad. They just need to be cleaned up, if you can tell. Yes. I was going to go shopping today, but do I want stuff? Yes. Do I need it? Absolutely not. So I think I'm just gonna scratch out shopping and just focus on what I need to get done. So I'll be back when my eyebrows are waxed and I'm back in my house because we got a lot of stuff to do. And I have to do my lashes. I'm actually still waiting for my stuff from Amazon to get here so I can do them. So yeah, we still got some things to do. So let's go. Y'all see the difference? Like, oh my goodness. I love getting my eyebrows done. Like, that just made such a difference in my face. My eyebrow lady is better than yours. Hate to break the news to you. And yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm back home. So I'm gonna do a quick little haul. I ordered some stuff off of Amazon for my trip. From Amazon, I did get me a little crimper. This is the bed head crimper because I want to put some crimps in my hair for my actual birthday. I also got stuff to do my lashes. The TikTok girlies put me on to this lash tray. But yeah, this is the brand. And I got the 12 to 18 mix. So, and I believe this is D-Curl. Yeah, these are just the lash clusters. So I'm going to be doing my own lash set. Hopefully it comes out good. And then I also got this bond and seal so that I can, you know, glue them on because you can't have the lashes without the glue. So this is the brand that I got for that. Then I also got some cute little spoolies. I also got me a little phone tripod. I think I told y'all this is a solo trip, so I don't have nobody to take my pictures. Like, I'm going to be there completely by myself. So I need to come prepared, okay? Because I still need to get content. So I also got a selfie stick tripod, which I don't know why they called it a selfie stick tripod because it's like one of the tall ones. So in case I want to take any standing up pictures, I got one of those. And it also comes with a Bluetooth remote. This is the tripod. I'm not going to extend it all the way, but you get the gist. And then it also comes with this little Bluetooth remote. So I'm going to hop back on a little later on when I'm doing my lashes and packing because that's pretty much all I have to do. And yeah, next thing you know, I'll be getting ready to leave for Miami. So I'm so excited. I'll be back with y'all in a little bit. Guys, y'all are gonna have to excuse my appearance because it is currently 12 o'clock in the morning, and guess what time I have to leave for my flight? So obviously, like, I'm going to sleep right after I do this, but I just needed to hop on because I'm staying dedicated and I'm getting this content in for y'all. So the last thing, well, not even the last thing I have to do because I still have to pack, guys. Guys, I still have to pack. The reality literally just hit because I thought I was about to do these lashes and knock out, and that's not the case. I'm just gonna stop chit-chatting. We're gonna get these lashes done. I'm gonna pack and then I'm going to bed. Okay guys, so like I said, doing my lashes. I think I told y'all earlier that I ordered some stuff on Amazon that was coming today, technically yesterday because it's midnight the day I leave, but that's besides the point. But yeah, my stuff from Amazon came, so I just got these. I think, I showed y'all in the haul actually. What am I doing? So I already showed y'all these. So yes, these are the clusters that I got in sizes 12 to 18. And then I also have these spoolies I showed y'all. And then I have my mini fan because gotta dry as I go. I have these tweezers I got from Shein a little bit ago. So these are the curved kind, so it's just gonna make it easier to put them on. And then I have, oh, I was gonna say, please don't tell me I lost this. My bond and seal. Alright y'all, so the lashes are done. I think they came out so cute, especially for me doing them myself. Like, get into it. Volume cat eye. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start packing, and then I'm gonna be on my way to Miami. I'm so excited. So I will get back to y'all when I start packing and we can wrap this video up. I honestly have no idea how exactly I want to do my packing. I know like some of the clothes I want to pack, so I'm just gonna start off by packing like stuff that I know for sure I'm gonna bring, and then trickle in where I can. But that's kind of dangerous because I don't want to overpack. I really don't want to overpack. But yeah, I'm just gonna shut up, figure this out. There's always a method to my madness, so I know I'll be fine, but it's just so last minute. Like, I'm so tired of every time I have a trip it's last minute. Like, girl, do you not learn your lesson? Like, I was supposed to be sleeping right now. But yeah, so this is my suitcase. I always just put like all my clothes in here, and then I like to put my toiletries and stuff in here, and then my shoes in here, and then I clamp everything down. So that is the system I am about to tackle right now. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so I'm finally finished packing. I know it's late and I probably have to get up in like 30 minutes. So it's like, should I even go to sleep? I don't know, but I'm finished packing, so y'all already know what that means. I go with the same flow in every video. So that concludes my prep with me for my solo trip to Miami / birthday trip. Your girl is turning 23, so definitely make sure y'all stay tuned for the Miami vlog. I'm going solo this time. I've been twice, but I've gone with friends both times, so this time is a little different. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you stay blessed, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. You can see